MB Quart 800-watt Stage 5 Can-Am Maverick X3 sound system review. Real trail performance. You fire up your Maverick X3, hit the throttle, and your music disappears into wind and engine noise. It feels unfinished. A buddy once told me he stopped playing music entirely because it sounded thin and distant on the trail. That quiet disappointment lingers. Not ideal. Have you felt your ride deserved better sound? Over time, weak audio steals part of the experience. You crank the volume, the highs turn sharp, and the bass feels hollow in your chest. One rider said he missed half his favorite playlist because it was drowned out by tire roar. That frustration builds slowly. There is a better way. Clear sound changes everything. The MB Quart 800-watt Stage 5 Can-Am Maverick X3 sound system is designed as a complete, tuned solution rather than a mix of random parts. It pairs an AM, FM, Bluetooth LED source unit with 4 speakers and a 10-inch subwoofer, all engineered specifically for the Maverick X3 platform. Don't just pick any UTV audio system. Make sure it has a vehicle-specific plug-and-play design so you avoid messy wiring and uneven sound coverage that everyone complains about. Here, mounting panels and harnesses are included, and the sub can mount under either seat to preserve cabin space. That matters. A busy contractor told me he nearly canceled a weekend ride because his old setup kept cutting out, then upgraded and finished the install in one focused afternoon. The next morning, his playlist finally sounded full at speed. You get clearer vocals, deeper bass, stable Bluetooth pairing, integrated dash fitment, and balanced output tuned for open-air riding. Bonus insight, many owners say the system feels factory installed once complete. What stands out over time is how smoothly everything works together. You start the engine, your phone reconnects with Quick Pair, and the 800-watt system fills the cabin without sounding harsh. An audio reviewer described it as clear and surprisingly controlled, even in open air, while an off-road influencer said the 10-inch sub adds real depth you can actually feel on the trail. Industry analysts often highlight that a tuned model-specific package reduces guesswork compared to universal kits. One real user put it simply, it finally sounds like it belongs in the X3. That consistency builds confidence. I noticed the bass remained defined even at moderate speeds, which isn't always the case in UTV setups. Some riders worry installation might be complex, and it can take time, but experienced installers say the included harnesses and panels streamline the process significantly. See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. Would deeper bass or cleaner vocals matter more to you? Small question. Over time, the system becomes part of the ride rather than an accessory. If your Maverick X3 deserves sound that matches its performance, the MB Quart 800-watt Stage 5 Can-Am Maverick X3 sound system delivers a focused, vehicle-specific upgrade. It combines power, clarity, and integration in one tuned package. Join the many riders already enjoying stronger, cleaner trail audio, though results may vary by setup and installation. Simple upgrade. If you are ready to hear your playlist the way it was meant to sound, click the link and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.